Indian football team. Whenever we speak about Indian football team, our only dream is to see India playing into World Cups. Yes, I'm speaking about football World Cups, which is going to be held in Qatar in 2022. World Cup qualifiers were yesterday, and we saw a thrilling match between India versus Oman. Yes, we lost, but Indians, let me tell you, you don't need to lose out the hope with India. India definitely played very well, and I am here not to tell you about how bad we played or what were the things which Indian team should do so that they can win next time. I am here to let you know that Indian played very well. Our new coach Igor Stimac, his things, his strategies and everything are we can definitely see now, and slowly and gradually we will definitely see that how Indian team is going to beat one of the top teams in the world. Yes, this is a dream, and I believe in my team that one day it will definitely happen. So let us talk about 5 talking points which we should be talking about, and the positive things which we should be taking from yesterday's match. The first thing which we can tell about is our midfielders. After Amarjeet Singh Kiam was ruled out from the match from after his hand injury, Indian team fell into a question mark that who should play into midfielder. Will it be more impactful with the youngsters we have? So the midfield charge was taken by Roland Borges and Anirudh Thapa. On number 7, very prominent player, superb and out forward pitch and everything. So they both played very well. While Anirudh was helping the defenders, while Roland Borges, I'm sorry, he was helping the defenders. On the other hand, Anirudh Thapa was very well linking up with our strikers, with our wingers. So this was the positive thing which everyone noticed, and even our captain Sunil Chetri and coach Igor Stimac talked about it, that how our midfield was playing well. On the first half, we definitely saw that the match was in our hands. The second thing which we should talk about is it was not only a one player match, one player team. With that, I mean to speak about Sunil Chetri. Every time we speak about Sunil Chetri, the one thing which keeps in our mind is he is the only player who scores goal, who is much more famous than every player. But in terms of playing, our team is very strong. Speaking about the three trio, you can say that who are Ashik, Udanta, and Brendan Fernandes. We have a very superb trio. Ashik was a defensive midfielder yesterday who just he was like a wall standing in front of everyone. There was no ball which passed through him, especially when it comes to the defenders. They also played very well. And speaking about the other two, Udanta and Bruno Fernandes, they linked up with our strikers very well. They linked up with skipper very well, and we can definitely see that the impact of it was seen into it. Other thing is, the thing which I would like to say is I think it is a low note, but we need to focus on it, and we will definitely in our future. We have a lack of successor. After Baichung Bhutia, Sunil Chetri, the question which comes into our mind is who will be the next who would be overtaking them. Anirudh Thapa is definitely a prominent player, our number 7, who can definitely come in future and solve our striker and attacking issues. But then too, we definitely need a successor. Even coach Igor Stimac said the part that we lack a striker. We definitely have only one player who scores goals. The rest things, if we speak about statistics, if we look at the past statistic, we definitely have the scoring people from midfield or from defenders. Even the stats speak in ISL as well. So we definitely need a player who can help Sunil Chetri in scoring our goals. And Steamach's principles are definitely coming into picture. We definitely saw that before Steamach became our coach, we saw that there were random long balls playing around. We saw that there was no link up. The possession was missing into it, and then later on, we definitely saw that how short passes were played. We definitely got the position. We showed Oman that how well we are playing on this, and slowly and gradually, I definitely mean that these strategies, Steamach strategies, will definitely come and show its true colors, and we will definitely get a very good team which every top team in the world would fear to play. So This was top things which I needed to say. Our midfielders were good. Our attacking link-up thing was good. Match principles are coming into picture. The other thing is we just need to focus on the goal scoring aspect. We'll see what happens, and definitely let me assure you that Indian team is once again standing up on its foot, and after coming now we are at 103 rank, but slowly and gradually we will rise up on the mountain. We will definitely climb the mountain, and I hope to see Indian team playing in 2022 World Cup. Next match is with Qatar, and let's keep our hope high. Jai Hind. For more videos on sports, subscribe to our channel SportsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.